Who said Wi-Fi has to be free? There are plenty of ways in which you can monetize your Wi-Fi network. Did you know that 80% of smartphone traffic occurs over Wi-Fi and that 70% of customers connect to Wi-Fi in public places? What's driving users to connect to these networks? Well, several things. Most commonly, users try to avoid overage and roaming charges. Whatever their reasons are, people are connecting to public Wi-Fi networks more than ever. The problem is security. Public Wi-Fi networks certainly have many benefits, but some people are hesitant about connecting to them. In fact, 50% of customers in the US reported feeling that these networks are unsafe or risky. What would give users more peace of mind when it comes to connecting to a public Wi-Fi network? The answer is an available network from a well-known brand or provider they know they can trust. And this is monetization opportunity number 1. Why not leverage your Wi-Fi network by opening it up to non-subscribers who want access and are willing to pay for it? Fon Carrier Wi-Fi solution helps you to offer Wi-Fi to subscribers and non-subscribers alike under different business models, like in exchange for advertising impacts through the captive portal, through a pay-per-use approach, or even for free in exchange for contact details. Not only does this mean new revenue, it also means new leads. There are tons of benefits of giving non-subscribers access to your network. For one thing, you can generate new revenue streams by offering access to anyone who needs it. When people register on your network, you can generate new leads for acquisition campaigns. You can choose from several flexible business models to reach different business goals, making time to market fast. Promote your products and services, or those of partners, by using the captive portal as a virtual billboard. And finally, create brand awareness by customizing your SSID. And what about end users? They have benefits too. Most importantly, they can gain access wherever they are, whenever they need it. Since user perception of network security is important, they'll be able to connect to a trusted brand, yours, and they won't have to tie themselves to a periodic data plan. But something else is going on here too. It turns out that things require access as well. The rise of the so-called Internet of Things is bringing all kinds of connected devices to the scene. Just have a look at this chart from BI Intelligence showing the tremendous growth of the IoT represented in blue. In fact, by 2020, connected things are expected to outnumber more traditional devices like smartphones, PCs, and wearables. And we can surmise that 80% will connect through Wi-Fi or other solutions like Bluetooth or Zigbee, because less than 20% of them are expected to use cellular technologies. Operators are already scrambling to find a way to meet current and future access demands. That being said, how can you leverage your Wi-Fi network in light of this growing need to connect all of our stuff? And this brings us to monetization opportunity number 2. Because of the surge of the Internet of Things, many aggregators, mobile operators, and device manufacturers have products that are reliant on Wi-Fi access. The problem is, they often can't or don't want to create their own Wi-Fi networks. What they're looking for is something you can give. Fon Carrier Wi-Fi solution makes it easy for you to wholesale your spare Wi-Fi to these third parties who need access. By tapping into the business segment this way, your Wi-Fi network investments become revenue generators. What are the benefits of wholesaling your unused capacity? First, you can turn it into revenue. You can also enable B2B2C revenue models by wholesaling to third-party service providers. You can also create strategic partnerships with others who are interested in your wholesale capacity. And finally, you'll be at the forefront of new markets like the IoT, positioned to capture all of the opportunities they bring. Fon Carrier Wi-Fi solution is a combination of products and service that makes monetizing your Wi-Fi network easy. At the center is a user-friendly, cloud-based Wi-Fi service management platform, or WSMP, that gives you easy, centralized service configuration and end-to-end visibility of your service. It features a hierarchical structure so you can segment access points any way you want to. Target businesses in different segments and of all shapes and sizes, applying one or more monetization strategies to each one. A user-oriented console for configuring all aspects of the service like the captive portal look and feel, the access mode, and the business model. An advanced charging and billing system with real-time accounting. It's pre-integrated with the most popular payment gateways like credit cards and PayPal. WSMP gives you powerful data analysis capabilities and reports for service tracking, including real-time metrics and additional information that you can export to big data systems. Easy API REST-based integration with your BSS and OSS systems, and multi-vendor support. BT is a top telco operator in the UK, and it had several goals. BT wanted to differentiate from competitors, meet the increasing needs of non-subscribers, and renew its brand image and be seen as a first mover. And BT reached these goals with our Carrier Wi-Fi solution. With it, BT capitalized on the millions of foreign tourists the UK receives yearly, and it now brings in new revenue by selling tens of thousands of daily access passes per month. and more than 10% of buying customers will repeat their purchase the following month. BT also uses information gathered on non-subscribers for acquisition campaigns, and BT is just one example of the many top global operators that have put their trust in our solutions. Thanks so much for watching. Want to learn more about how Fontech can help you deploy a Wi-Fi network and monetize it? Visit fontech.com, where you can learn about the solutions and products we offer. You can also contact us at any time by writing to fontech@fon.com.